Okay, so today we're going to be doing independent compound events and over probability. And they're compound, so the way that you would combine probabilities together is by multiplying. And so what we're going to do is we're going to review real quick on how to multiply fractions. So when you multiply fractions, you can just multiply the tops together and the bottoms together and simplify if can be. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. And that is the simplest form. And that's how you multiply fractions. Now, if you can simplify before you multiply, that'd be great. So what I like to do is like to look at the numbers diagonal from each other. Well, 4 and 8 are factors of each other. So I can divide 4 into each other. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now all I have to do is 1 times 1, which is 1, and 2 times 5, which is 10. And that'll be your answer. Okay, so now you try one. Pause the video and try to simplify this and then multiply. Okay, so 3 and 9 are multiples of each other. So I divide this by 3 and get 1. Divide this by 3 and get 3. So now I have 2 times 1, which is 2, and 3 times 5, which is 15. So the answer would be C. Okay, so now we're going to learn about independent probability. When the outcome of one event does not impact the outcome of the second event, the events are called independent. Independent probability can be determined by multiplying the probability of each event happening. So the probability of A and B. So that word and is very important because it means to multiply. So let's try one. In a board game, students draw a card, replace it, and then draw a second card. Determine the probability of each event. To earn 50 points, the student must draw a heart card, then an angel card. So there's that word and. So we know it needs to multiply. Well, first off, there's 8 cards in total. And 2 of them out of 8 are heart, while 1 of them out of 8 are hearts. Angels. So these can be simplified. So that'd be 1, 4. So 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 4 is 32. So you have a 1 in 32 chance of getting a heart card, then an angel card. So now you try one. Pause the video and attempt this problem. A student must draw a sleeping card, then an angry card. Well, there's still 8 cards. The sleeping cards, there's 2 of them. And an angry card, there's 2 of them as well. So they can be simplified. This can be 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer would be 1/16. Okay, let's try another one. To earn 15 points, the student must draw an angry card or a laughing card, then an angel card. Or means to add, and means to multiply. So there's still 8 cards. I want an angry card or a laughing card. So there's 2 angry cards, and there's 1 laughing card. So you would add those together, it'd be 3 8s. Then I want an angel card. There's only 1 angel card, so you multiply. So you get 3 over 64. That's your answer. So pay attention to those key words when it comes to probability. Or means add, and means multiply. To earn 5 points, a student must draw a sleeping card or a heart card, and then an angry card. So or, add, and multiply. So sleeping, there's 2 sleeping, and then there's 2 hearts. So it'd be 4 8s. And then there's 2 angry cards. So it'd be 2 8s. So 4 and 8 can be simplified down to 1, 2, and this be 1, 4. So it'd be 1 over 8 as your probability when you multiply it. All right, and that's it. So it's pretty quick and easy. So what I recommend doing, as they did here, is you find the probability of the first thing you're looking for, and then find the probability of the second thing, and then if you can simplify, then multiply. Thank you, guys.